Hello everyone, my name is Aman Pandey. I am from Kota, Rajasthan. I have done my graduation from Lovely Professional University, and this year I have secured All India rank 34 in ICAR PG examination in social sciences, and I have selected social sciences in the second last semester of my graduation, and I have started my preparation from the last semester of my graduation from the beginning of this year. And before I share my strategy, I would like to thank Vishal sir and Teachmint for guiding me throughout my preparation. Sciences mainly includes three subjects: agriculture economics, general agriculture, and agriculture extension. And there is one more minor subject which is statistics. So for agriculture economics, so the most important book is Agriculture Economics by Subba Reddy. So this is a very beautifully written book. It is very comprehensive, covers everything. And then there is one more book which is an introduction to agriculture social sciences. This book is also very important, especially for the macroeconomic part. Then for macroeconomy, I have also read one more book which is The Indian Economy by Sanjeev Verma. This is a very lengthy book, so you can skip this book. And I have also read one book which is Economics of Farm Production and Management by V.T. Raju. This book is not really necessary because the content of this book is similar with this Subba Reddy book. And for objectives, I have read this book, Objective Agriculture Economics by Nirmal Ravi Kumar. This book has more than 6,000 objectives, and this book is divided into 4 to 5 parts like microeconomics, macroeconomics, farm production economics, agriculture finance and all. So and in the beginning of every part there are 300 to 400 MCQs, one-liners, not MCQs. So those one-liners are most important, so do not skip those one-liners. Then for extension part, so I referred this book, Extension, Communication and Management by G.L. Ray. So this is the Bible for extension. So this is very important book, the most basic book. Then there is one more book which is Instant Extension Education by Shruti ma'am. This is very concise book, very short, and this book is mainly for revision purpose. Then there is for objectives, there is this book which is Multiple Choice Question in Agriculture Extension by Sunil VG. So this book is also very important. You can refer this book for objectives. Now for general agriculture part, so I referred this book which is Arun Katyayan, Fundamentals of Agriculture, both the volumes. I have done selective reading of these two books, and I have also done selective reading of this book, Nemra Sunda. I also have a YouTube channel by the name Economic Inside Out, in which I have shared all my notes, and I have also explained every single topic of our economic syllabus. The link for my channel is given in the description box below, and thank you for listening me.